Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Contacts. Google. And signing into the exact Google account you plan to edit. Make sure the account shown in the corner is correct. If not, switch accounts now. Once signed in, export a backup as a vCard or CSV. This protects you if you delete the wrong entries. You're doing this to avoid accidental data loss, so take a moment now. After the backup completes, proceed to locate the contacts you want removed. Now focus on selecting the contacts to remove. Use search terms, labels, or the All Contacts view to narrow results. Click each checkbox for individual removals or the top checkbox to select all visible items. Then, if more matches exist, use the banner option to select every contact that matches that filter. Once selected, open the More menu and pick Delete to move them to trash, or merge if you only need to combine duplicates. Confirm the action when prompted to finalize it. Finish by emptying the trash in Google Contacts so deletions become permanent and clear sync conflicts. Next, check your devices. If contacts reappear, temporarily disable Contacts Sync or remove the Google account from your phone, then delete again from Contacts. Google. Make sure to restore from your backup if you deleted something by mistake. If problems persist, give services a few minutes to sync, clear app caches on phones, and then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.